Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And it is raining quite, it was raining yesterday. And it is good, I love when it rains. Oh, where is my rubber band? Get my pretty rubber band. Get my pretty rubber band. Okay, so I forgot if I need to say anything. So it was raining this couple of days yesterday. I need to get up early and go to work early. And yesterday it was raining. It rains cats and dogs and rats. Les chiens, les chats. Les chiens, les rats. So anyway, yesterday it was raining so much. 瓢泼大雨. And I went to work. And I was very proud of myself that in such a big rain, I can manage to arrive school ahead of my schedule and be in one piece. This is something that I'm so shamefully proud of. Have you ever thought about it? You can manage to go to work and be in one piece, and you are not on drug, you are not drunk, you are not sick, you are not sleepy, you are not angry, you are not sad, you are not. You just like suddenly, because every week for a few days, actually it's quite a lot of days at my age to work like that. I feel, yeah, it's quite an accomplishment. Anyway, so you get up early in the morning and manage to get yourself together to wake up in the morning earlier than your body feels, and take a shower, have a cup of coffee, and go to work and drive to work, and in one piece. It's something we should be proud of, don't you think so? That's not an easy task. Maybe that is an easy task, but we can manage to live our life with the right amount of grace, of dignity. That is something I am proud of. I am quite proud of myself for that. So silly. I'm sorry, so silly. So, and then the other day I got up early. Now because of my schedule, I got up early because it's winter time. The sun rises late, so I go to work when the sun was not rising up. I am earlier than the sun. And that feeling makes me proud. So the other day, as I was driving, I just saw something so strange in my back mirror. You drive, you look at your mirrors, left, right, and the rear mirror and back. And I saw an orange color, beautiful orange color. It was the sun rising up. Oh, so very beautiful. So very beautiful. So I went to school and I took some picture of it actually. I have morning duty. If you are a teacher, you know it. The morning duty is when the class starts. Before the class starts, the morning duty, I was in the gatekeeper, taking care of the gate. So I took a picture of the sun. So beautiful. And at that time, the sun was covered. Anyway, just want to tell you, every day, there are hard things, such as get up early in the morning, but there is reward for every of our suffering. Our suffering will be rewarded in a positive way if that is a suffering. Our happiness will be rewarded in a negative way because we have consumed the goodness. That's my very clear philosophy. Life up, down, up, down. When good finish, bad come. When bad finish, good come. So with this philosophy, I can live my life with much more ease, much more comfort, and much more acceptance. Whatever is coming. If there is trouble, the shipping has problem, the car has problem, I pay the price because I know if I do not pay the price, I will pay it in the future. If I pay the price, I will have less chance to pay in the future. Do I make any sense? It's a beautiful day, and it makes me happy to think about all these no-sense things, nonsense things, these random things. It is important. It's not bright enough. Let me put something. That is a little bit. This is almost no color. See, almost no color. Oh, there is some color. Good for it. It's a little bit too dark. Let me brighten it up a little bit. Cannot be too dark, right? we do not have much things stands out significant, so we do need some colors to balancing it out or to bring some attraction. You see, some people do makeup with heavy eye makeup, with heavy eyebrow makeup. Then the mouse does not need that much because there is already a highlight in their makeup. And for us, if we do not a big eyebrow makeup, not a big eyelash makeup, not a big eyeshadow makeup, none of that very ordinary. We need to put some color on the lips, just a little bit, not exaggerating, to break out the balance. Do not like a fashion magazine, like influencers, because they are living a larger than life. They are living a life that is larger than life. In magazine, they are a lot of magazine, or you go to museum, the goal is not to see beauty, is to challenge your sense of beauty. If you go to modern art museum, you do not, sometimes, very often times, you do not see beauty. You see something that provoke your thought to question you. What is beauty? And why do we need to make us beautiful, right? Because being beautiful is according to them, according to... Anyway, we all know it. You go to museum, you get your sense of beauty, slammed. Sorry, museum. I mean, modern museum. There are some good museums I like. Some house museum, local history museum. Those kind of things tells a lot of story. I will not talk too much about this not so nice talk. It's a beautiful day. I want to do an outfit of the day. See ya later, alligator. Okay, look at the sunshine. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Look at my hair. And beautiful sunshine. And I want to do a little bit of silliness. The sunshine is good. So I want to do an outfit of the day. And new things. Look at it. I just bought it. Take it off. Yeah. So since my family, my husband gave me this pair of shoes, it's a free shoe. It's a company's free gift, and I start to try to find. I search online what is the styling for this kind of leisure shoes, and so I bought these pants. You will see. Okay, you can see from a little bit down. Okay, so another thing I want to tell you, when you get old, your muscle become much loose, and if you do not pay attention, the belly will come out like this. This is our natural state. And you want to be a little bit folding. So from time to time, we need to pay attention to ourselves. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, bye-bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.